If your Etsy listings are stuck on page 8 where nobody scrolls, it's usually not your photos and definitely not your price. It's your tags and not in the way you think. By the end of this video, you will have one tag mistake which is hiding your listings, and you'll have a 13 tag system to copy onto every listings tonight. So let's go. Open any listing and look at your tags. Two things are quietly wasting your slots: single words and repeated words. Single words like mug put you against thousands and thousands of sellers. That's a competition you will never beat. But the bigger league, the one that almost nobody catches, is repetition. And here's the thing that changes how you tag forever. Etsy registers each word only once. If dog shows up in 5 of your tags, Etsy didn't give you 5 chances at dog, it gave you once. And you burned 4 slots and a pile of characters repeating yourself. A multi-word tag already lets Etsy match all the words inside it. So personalized dog mug is working for personalized mug, dog mug too. Saying dog somewhere else adds nothing. So the goal flips. Every tag should bring new words that Etsy hasn't seen in your titles and current tags. Maximum distinct coverage, not just same words repeated in different creative ways. Stop repeating and you will reclaim half of your tags. Real estate you were giving away for free. So where do these phrases come from? You don't guess them based on what your product is. Your best source is hiding in your own dashboard. Okay, source one and start here. The Etsy marketplace insights inside your own shop manager. Even if you're a free user, you get to use that for free. Etsy literally shows you what buyers are searching for. That's Etsy's real data, not just some made up number. Right now it only shows you 30 days, but if your account is in test group, you might see up to 1 year of data, which indicates Etsy is rolling that out soon. But that is your highest source to actually find out what buyers are searching for and what tag to pick the best. Use it first. Okay, source 2 is Etsy's own search bar. You type your term and Etsy autocompletes. That autocomplete is already telling you what buyers are searching for. Source 3 is your Etsy stats. Go to stats and go to search traffic. It will give you a list of keywords that brought buyers to your shop. Maybe there's a tag that you can optimize, which is bringing more traffic, but you're not using it in your listings. So this will give a little boost. Source 4 is the titles of the best sellers already ranking in your category. The rule across all of them is the same. Check for real search data on Etsy Marketplace Insights. If you can't see the demand for it, there is no point using that tag. 10 minutes across these and you will have some 30 plus validated phrases. You only need 13. And now here is the 13 tag formula you need to apply to all your listings. Rule number 1 is to pack as many long tail keywords as possible. Order them like this. The first 1 to 3 tags has to be hyper relevant to your product. They need to be exactly what your product is. So long tail keywords which are hyper relevant to what your product is. For example, custom dog coffee mug, ceramic dog portrait mug, whatever you can fit in those 20 characters. Tags 4 to 6 is the occasion, like dog mom gift, new puppy present, dog memorial gift. That tells Etsy what intent you are actually fishing for. Tag 7 to 9 is the vibe. Funny dog mug, minimalist aesthetic, hand-drawn doodle. Tags 10 to 13 has to be the one that cast a wider net, like crazy dog lady, some niches that are obscure, maybe that you can fish for or rank for. So 2 rules while you build this tag system. Always back every tag with search data. No vanity phrases, no guesswork. Rule 2 is do not repeat words. Etsy gives you 20 characters, 13 tags that do 60 characters. Use it in creative ways. Every tag pulls in a new search term. And here's the mindset that will free you up. Your tags are built for the algorithm, not humans to read. So you don't have to make them pretty. They don't need to make sense. The tag set that looks a little weird but covers a 13 high demand searches beats the tidy, nice looking, easy to read ones every single time. And here's a quick after. 13 distinct validated phrases, almost no word used twice. Same product, several times the reach. So if doing this thing by hand for the entire shop seems slow, that's the one thing we built Listadum to fix. You drop your shop, Listadum analyzes all your listings, it tells you exactly where these errors are happening and tags a dead weight and pulls real high quality keywords for me. So a 15-minute job per listing becomes 2. But the method is identical with or without it. So stop repeating words, pull real data from Etsy search insights, and fill all 13 with distinct validated long tails for product, occasion, audience, and wider nets. But great tags only pay off if your titles and descriptions work with them. And most sellers do their keyword research in the wrong order, which cancels out the whole thing. That's the next video, so click it and let's keep going. And if you want to see which tags are dead weight right now, the free check in the description scan your shops in seconds and give you a full report.